The video will start in a few seconds, but as a reminder, remember, if you have a question, comment, or suggestion about this video, please follow the link below. Also note that you can post anonymously. Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds from 3dgameman.com and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the SilverStone Heligon HE02 CPU cooler. Not the prettiest looking box, although they do have a few images of the product on it, as well as plenty of features and specifications about it. There is one security seal on it. Let me cut through that and get inside and see what's included. A user's manual, a box, which includes a number of clips for mounting up to 2 fans, backplates for Intel and AMD sockets, and a number of other items for installing it, plus thermal compound. And here is the heatsink, which is in a plastic bag. Now let's have a closer look at this. This is one humongous heatsink. Note that they do not include any fans. That's right, no fans are included with this particular product, but you can mount an optional 2 120mm fans using 4 included clips, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute. You can install this product on just about any AMD or Intel socket, although there could be some clearance issues on the motherboard and possibly inside of the case because this is such a large heatsink. It should fit though on most motherboards and certainly in most mid-tower cases. There are many aluminum fins, 6 heat pipes which go right through this solid copper base. Everything is nickel coated. The cooler itself does look quite nice. There's some branding at the top, but that is it. And this heatsink works just like any other typical CPU heatsink. First of all, the base gets extremely hot because it is in direct contact with the CPU, and by the way, the base plate on this is very smooth, so it will make excellent contact with the CPU. Then all the heat is basically drawn up via the heat pipes into the fins, and then the fins dissipate the heat. And by the way, they include this protective plastic on the base plate. Remember to remove this before installing the heatsink. The CPU TDP will vary on this. It depends whether it's fanless or not. If it is fanless, up to a 95 watt CPU. If you have a pretty good case ventilation inside of your case, up to 130 watt CPU, and if you have at least one 120mm fan installed, certainly over 130 watts. You can install 1 or 2 fans on this heatsink, but you can only do it either on this side or the other side. To do so, just take the clips that they include 2 clips for each fan, pop the clips through the holes, and then just attach the fan to the heatsink like so. Do the same thing for the other side, and you can also move the fan up or down for compatibility reasons. If you're in the market for a small, lightweight, low-profile heatsink, this is certainly not it. If, however, you want a heatsink that you can install with or without a fan or fans, that will keep just about any current fast CPU cool, well, this just might be it. Sure, it's pretty large at 170 by 130 by 160 millimeters and heavy at 990 grams without a fan or fans installed. However, if performance is at the top of your list, then this very well might be the cooler for you. Or maybe you're looking for a very robust passive cooler. But if you are overclocking, or if you have a very fast CPU, I would recommend installing at least one fan, but certainly two fans will give you better performance. Overall, this is a 100% kick-ass product. Until next time, take care. I hope you enjoyed this video review, and please note that pricing for this product is available on the 3D Game Man video review page.